In this video we are going to explain you how to use your admin area. Instructions for using the event management script. Follow these step-by-step instructions to understand how your site works. Admin settings. Here you will decide how your program will run. Mailer settings. Select the type of mailer you want to use. Click here to know more about how to set up Google reCAPTCHA v2 API key. Enter the banner advertisement selling price. Enter your payment processor's details below. If you don't want to use any of these payment processors, then just use 0 for that. Manage your pages. Here you can manage your pages like home, FAQ, login, etc., and add new pages to your system. File Manager. Here you can upload new files or delete the previous uploaded files. Generate database backup. This section will let you take database backup from admin area itself. Update system. Here you can find the list of updates that are available for your system. Email validation service. EmailCourt is a web application that can verify if an email address is real or fake. You can validate the email addresses of new members joining your website using EmailCourt API. Send push notifications. Push notifications allow you to stay connected with all desktop and mobile app users with great ease to provide your customers with the best experience so that they can choose your services over and over again. Feedback and exit surveys. Take advantage of real-time data collection via digital surveys, and see your business bloom with real-time reports and unlimited data. List management service. Easily manage your list without using your own server resources to do mailing to your members. Mobile app. Powerful web-based app builder tool for your business, that will allow you to turn your website into a seamless, user-friendly Android app. Contests. Contest Conclave is a web application that can allow you to incentivize your website with various contests to increase traffic flow and win cash and prizes while promoting contests to your members at your website. Add event. This section lets you add a new event to your system. Active events. This section lets you track all the active events available at your system. Inactive events. This section lets you track all the inactive events available at your system. Manual booking. This section lets you add a booking manually. Manage bookings. This section lets you track the booking of tickets for all the available events. Add ticket type. This section lets you manage different type of tickets for all the available events. Manage ticket type. This section will allow you to manage different ticket types. Manage coupons. This section allows to manage discount coupons that you can offer to your visitors. Coupon report. This section allows you to view all the discount coupons redeemed. Approved banners. This section lets you track the banners submitted by members, and you can track the details of each banner. Pending banners. This section will show you the list of all pending banners, and you can approve them after checking the contents. Log out. Thanks for watching this video.